played with 58 million people. We could freely from a touchline, me and my brother here. I think we were on the pitch there, scoring the 3 goals.
We're sweating. We're still sweating.
I come hot. We tried. So happy.
Thank you. One more, the debut. My friend, how? What the lo? Umkhaso khuluma la isiZulu. Mngani wami, awusho i-debut yakho ufile kanjani? Ngo-3 points usho ukuthini wena? Nalezi ihlelo ufuna ukuthini kuzona?
Ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu. Ngibonga kakhulu umasupporter. Igama lami njengamanje ngu-Happiness.
Naku Lyle uyasazi isiZulu by the way. Kodwa sokhuluma naye isisuthu. Lyle, tell us. Obviously you're out because of the injury, but how do you feel? What does this mean to your family? What does this say about your career and for South Africa? And for all these people who came out, what do you have to say?
Ek verstaan nie, my bro.
Wat sê jy?
Ek verstaan nie.
No, talk man.
God is the greatest ever. Jesus is king. We are here. I don't believe it, Gazi. Wow.
Yeah, here comes Mohau. No. My friends, after coming on, tell us, how do you feel? The 3 points, all these fans out here, your thoughts, please.
My friend, my best friend in the camp, uyazi hlezi sonke njami yazi ne. Njami mina ngifuna ukukhuluma njami ne. I'm happy njami ne. I'm happy at my age, at my age playing World Cup. So for me it's amazing and it's like I'm dreaming. So
English. This guy is the analyst. This is the analyst, the guy behind. Set piece, everything.
This is the guy who's always sleeping.
Thank you so much, South Africa. We are super excited to have made it. But it would never have been possible without these boys' ability to adapt into different tactical demands that we give them. They are amazing. I love them so much. This one, I love him more. We come from under 20 together, you know. So this is a true testimony that SAFA educational system and SAFA football strategy exists. We are the testimonies. We come through the ranks. Thank you so much.
Yeah, the man behind the clean sheets. This guy, no credit. He must be given credit for the clean sheets and those saves in. Was it Ivory Coast? Coach, tell us, how do you feel after today? The 3 points, obviously, and what does it say for your career as a coach? And obviously, what do you have to say to all these fans who came out today?
It's absolutely amazing. I waited for this my whole career. It's been a long time coming, working with champions like these guys. I love every day of the week. We're going to the World Cup. We're going to AFCON. So special. We're going to win it.
What more do you want? Okay, folks at home, thank you so much for joining us here in Bombela. Yeah, we're going to have some more interviews. Let me look for some of the guys. I'm looking for, who am I looking for? Mahopa. My friend, what a game. You came later to the camp. You scored a beautiful header. Tell us, how do you feel about the 3 points? And, of course, what do you have to say to all these people out here?
There's nothing I can say. I can just say, what a time to be alive, eh?
Thank you. Invite Shampopo.
Thanks, man. Sharp. Woo.